Hey guys, so I'm here on my boat again, and we're gonna hook up quick connects for 2 batteries for a 24-volt trolling system. So with the onboard charger. So I have the onboard charger, and if you're looking at this diagram here, that's the 2 little wires on the top connection. So I'm gonna put this together, and I'm going to come back with another follow-up video real quick right here on the back side of this one to explain how everything's connected. This is super simple. Okay, so round 2 video here. So these 2 bottom ones, obviously black to negative, red to positive, they are connected, both of them. Now for the top half, these smaller wires are going to the onboard charger. I have bank 1, battery bank 2, okay? So now they connect to the quick connects. Got them both connected. And then we have these 2, which go to your trolling motor that come off of the longer pieces here on the top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the positive one and I'm going to connect it to a shut-off. So anytime I'm not using my trolling motor, I will just shut off the batteries to the trolling motor. I'll mount that to the front of the boat right there. There's the trolling motor. Simple as that, guys. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment and I'll help you out. This thing's like $80 at Bass Pro Shops, online, pretty much anywhere. It's just $80 and it could make your life a lot easier than having a lot of random wires everywhere. So this little quick connect, just as simple as these 2 pieces, connect right to your battery. One there and one there. Thanks for watching.